Oh my God, who's on the field? What's the pitching rotation? You ask about the pitching rotation, which is usually every 4 days the same pitcher gets up to pitch, right? The pitcher on the fourth day, I pitch the first day and I don't pitch until the fifth day. Or at the beginning of the season, I'll pitch the first day and then I'll pitch on the fourth day. And usually it's 3 games to a series, so every pitcher gets to pitch 1 game at the beginning of the series. Some people run a 1-3 situation, 3 pitchers. Other teams run 4. The odd time, they'll run a 5th pitcher, et cetera, for whatever reason. So that's what it is. Now what I want to do, I'm not sure if I did this already, but I'm going to go over it again. We have 32 teams in the play we're playing sports, let's say. We have 32 teams. It's in a tournament of some sort. We have 32 teams and 16 versus 16. 2 divisions, right? Dividing skies, 2 divisions. 8 teams play 8 teams. 8 teams plays 8 teams. Over here is 16. 8 teams play 8 teams, which is 16. But we have 8 rinks, or 8 baseball fields, or 8 of whatever, or 8 tables that play. If you're playing poker, they all go to 1 table. We're not doing that. So we qualify. From the 32, 16 and 16 qualify. From the qualifier is 16, they play 8 versus 8. That's once, right? 8 versus 8 is once on 2 sides. Then they have 4 versus 4, once on 2 sides. Then they have 2 versus 2, once on each side. Then they have 1 versus 1, one on each side. And then both sides come together and play 1. How the candle is broken down. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3. We have how many? 1, 2, 3. We have 4 and 4 before 4 and 4 come together. The IT system separation in the sun. 5 times 4, 5 plus 4. 5 times 4, 5 plus 4 equals 20 plus 9, 29. 29 minus 6 equals 23 creation, 27 creation of the red sun, or 35. C and E, the gateway. 1, 1, 1, 2, 6 and 6, or 5 and 6 come to play. 5 and 6, yo 11 to the 7th gate. 52. 34, all created by the separation of 1 and 6. The sky system, all created by matrix. 2 sides. This will create 53 again. All zeros show halves and parts. All N and E shows 19 artificial intelligence as well as birth. Minus from this equals 9, plus this equals 19. Same goes over here. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. In baseball, there's 54 outs in a regulation game. In baseball, there are 39 outs, 21 and 18 in the 7th inning stretch. In baseball, if the home team is leading into the 9th inning, after 8.5 innings of play, if the home team is still leading, the game is over on 8.5 innings. 8.5 is also a reflection of 8 and 3. 8 by 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 40, 53. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 plus 3, 11 equals 35. It is the reverse. And why is it that? Because 3 is half of 6, which is half of 60 seconds. And that 5 is half of 100, which is half of the whole percentage, where the difference is 40 missing. But to make 40 from 60, you have to multiply by 60. Check this out. You have to multiply 60 times 1.666 equals 2. 60 times 1.666 equals 2. 9996. Why do we need this? Because we must put time back to where it began. So what we do is we go 60 equals 66, right? 60 equals 66 because of the 0 times 1.50, I think it is. And we get this, 1.5 times the 66, the separation of the 7, the separation of the 99% of the 1%, that is the difference of the spirit of the space that it goes through of the, oh my God, I only put a dot, but look what showed up. It took, oh my God, a dot hit me in the nose and knocked me out. Oh my God, thank you for watching.